Madam Speaker, today I rise before this august House to pledge my support to the 2016 budget, a budget that is meticulous, caters specifically to the circumstances and needs of our country, and appropriately reflects the priorities of our government. For this, I thank the Honourable Minister of Finance. There are many novel and revolutionary elements to this budget, and as we all have heard yesterday and continue to hear today, one could speak for days on any one area of development. It seems like our country has been committed to a journey of self-improvement these past few years that has become so extensive one would run out of breath just from listing it. This is a good thing, Madam Speaker. It heralds an era of true prosperity and modernity. In particular, today I shall be addressing the House on an element of the duty system that the budget introduces. As we all know, duty is a tax charge on imports. Therefore, it is an excellent tool for the regulation of goods based on countries' stance and a government devotion to certain principles. Madam Speaker, the charges in duty fully reflect the government's commitment to our people and demonstrate our desire to ensure we all lead healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. This is the rationale for the increase in duty for alcohol and tobacco by 12.5% and a further health of tax of 6%. This will noticeably raise the price of these goods, but I have always agreed with the view that if we are to place a burden on anything, let it be on our vices. If this charge presses us to live healthier lives, then it is a change that we should all support. This is also true for the exercise duty on sweetened drinks that will increase from 5 cents per litre to 10 cents per litre. Madam Speaker, this initiative will hopefully address the rise in communicable diseases in Fiji, problem that persists for most of the Pacific. I'm glad that our government is taking sensible measures to push our population towards more healthy alternatives for consumption. Madam Speaker, yesterday, the Honourable Karavaki devoted a fair share of his speech to trying to convince this House that milk will give us all cancer. I believe he used the words main contributor. I did some research of my own on this matter and was not surprised to find that research backing his claim resides primarily in a grey area of medical science. Research on the benefit of milk to growing children, on the other hand, is abundant. But I bring this up to point out a simple fact. I know that Honourable Karavaki cares a great deal about health, and I know that he is glad that we are raising the duty on alcohol and tobacco at sweetened drinks. I believe it will do us all the world of good then if the other side of the House took some time to express their positive assessment on the budget every once in a while instead of always scraping the very bottom of the barrel to find pointless position to attack on us on. Fringe medicine, Honourable Karavaki, I think you broke the bottom of the barrel. To be honest, I think the entire country would listen more to the other side of the House to try to present a more balanced view of issues rather than a current onslaught of unreasonable pessimism. Madam Speaker, allow me to round up my address on the budget by commending the government for its initiative in promoting healthy lifestyle in Fiji. My fellow parliamentarians have expressed this sentiment and I join my voice to the chorus. Madam Speaker, this budget is a people's budget. On that note, I commend the budget to the House.